What's good, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I would like to share with you a live trading video. It's very simple concept. It's nothing too crazy. I try to keep it up simple, very comfortable to take trades, and very simple to follow. And obviously that will gonna make me consistent to taking my trades. So everybody knows today was a crazy news, and we kind of moving in an uptrend. And all the time that I was trying to get all the concepts like buys or sells. All the time. Let me just give you an example. For example, this is obviously an uptrend. Usually all the time when I used to take buys on that, I used to getting stopped out and then moving up. That what forex market does all the time manipulating. This is the most liquid market, so obviously they just keep taking out people and then moving up. So today what it happened, it just was a crazy spike, like that was the news. So obviously right now people thinking this is a break and retest strategy, so people were gonna start buying right here. What do we have? We do have here the EMAs, guys, who will gonna start buying because the price action is above the EMAs. And then what do we have? We do have here very beautiful supply and demand traders. It's right here. And obviously we cannot forget about these ICT people who takes those fair value gaps. So basically everybody takes buys. I'm gonna take sell. Very simple concept. And I'm already in the trade. I'm just gonna show you shortly. I put it like that. And I'm gonna targeting one-to-one risk to reward, something like that. So let me just say I'm already in the trade. So basically I was seeing this consolidating very beautifully, then price break this low and making this high. The reason why I'm taking sells, a lot of people will say I'm crazy, but man, this is the way how I trade, and that's why I feel. Is nothing why I can tell you more. It's just the way how I feel. My experience tell me like this is needs to be a sell. I don't know why, it just my experience tells me that. It's very simple concept. It's nothing too crazy. The reason why, because people seeing here like push very beautifully pull back, and now they thinking like for the push. Me personally, I'm not saying 100% is gonna be a winning trade, but trading as usual is 50-50, so it could happen to be a loser, either it can be a winner. The only thing what I can do on this trade is just to manage properly. I'm gonna still wait for a second, and am I gonna start moving my stop loss, I mean trailing the stop. And right now it's gonna be more than that. I mean, it won't be a one-to-one, and then if the price action we're gonna break this high, I'm gonna keep moving lower, and if just in case the price action won't take, sorry guys, if the price action won't take these lows and will just reverse and hit my stop loss, then it is what it is. I won't even lose a full percent that I mean the full amount that I risked initially. So basically, if I do have 50% win rate and the price action will stop me out with less than what I'm risking, usually if you're making the math 50% of the time, you should be getting profitable. So guys, that's very simple concept, and we'll wait for developing the trade. But for now, we're just sitting like that, and I will see how the price action will develop, and by the time I will keep you posted if I'm moving my stop loss lower or how I'm managing the position. Just stay tuned on that. Guys, I'm glad to say that we are keep rolling down. It's very beautiful. In a few minutes am I gonna move my stop loss maybe to this high, because it just broke this high, this low. So I do really hope this price action eventually will gonna hit our target, because it's gonna be a beautiful trade. So let's see how it goes. If you enjoy, guys, this video, feel free to like it, and obviously you can share with one of your friends if you want, obviously. You guys, I'm seeing right now this price action pulling back out of this key zone, out of 1.03 number, and out of this EMA that is gonna be 100 or 200, something like that. So to me right now is the best way is to move the stop loss above this high, only because the price action basically took this low, and right now the most thing that I can expect is to come here to retest this zone, maybe to come here, maybe even to the break-even area, and then to move down. That's basically the my plan. But obviously we never know how the price action will eventually go and where it's going to, because I don't know, you don't know, no one knows where the price action goes. So the only thing what we can do is just to wait for the results. But for now, what we can do is just to place our stop. We very beautifully manage our position. So right now we're sitting at the 4 to 22 risk to reward, which is very beautiful target. Even if I'm gonna price action will eventually come and stop me out, it will stop me out with the small amount, because that's what is a call to manage the losing trade. Oh, I mean the position basically. So yeah guys, let's see how the price action will go, and if it's gonna stop me out, either hit my TP. Stay tuned. Hey people, sorry about that. I was basically on the phone on my job, but I really wanted to record how it hits my TP. So basically, eventually we did have a winning trade. It's just a normal trade. Yesterday it was all day, I was looking for yesterday all day I was looking for trades, and it did not really match anything for me. And today it was like a very beautiful clean trade, and we just took it and it's a winner. So that's what I'm talking about. Anyway guys, if you like this video, make sure you're gonna like it, comment if you like any questions, and yeah, see you on my next one. Cheers.